Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a simple side French design. If you're new here, my name is Shameen and here on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. So I'm starting off by prepping the nails, and to prep the nails all I'm doing is taking the shine off the surface of the nails. This allows the gel polish to adhere to the nails better. So now that we've finished buffing these nails, it's time to get right into the polishing. This color is Teddy Bear from Gel Beauty, and we're going to be applying about 3 to 4 coats on all of these nails. The shape and length I'm using here is medium almond. It's one of my favorite shapes because when you apply these onto the nails, they look very natural. Of course, feel free to leave in the comments down below your suggestions on videos I should do, or if you have a question about press-on nails or press-on nail business, feel free to ask your questions down in the comments if you have any. I'm very happy to answer questions relating to those. It's time to do those side French nails. So we have our painting gel from Gel Beauty in white, and when I opened this I realized that the gel had not been used in a while. As you can see, some of it started to like separate and settle. So what I did, I took my mixing tool and I gave it a nice stir, making sure to mix this up properly so that we could get back a really good consistency. So now we're just going to be taking our liner brush to do this design. And it's a side French, so it's pretty simple. I'm just starting at the center of the tip of the nail, and I'm just going to make a diagonal line down to about the halfway point on the nail, like so, and then I'm just going to fill in the area with the rest of the painting gel. And of course we're going to be repeating this for all 10 of the nails. So this nail here is for the right hand, so you would see that my side French line, it went to the right side. And then of course I'll be doing the opposite for the nails that are on the left hand. I will be putting the side French to the left of the nail. So I thought that the side French here was a little too thin, so I added an extra line and I filled it in again so that it was a bit thicker. And I'm just cleaning up here so my line looks nice and straight. And then of course, as I said, we're going to repeat this on all of the nails. And then you'll see when I switch over to the left side that I am going to be putting the side French on the other side of the nail. So for the left hand, we are making our side French on the left side of the nail. Here I'm just taking out the other nail just to compare them and make sure that they are the same thickness. And then I'm just going to fill this in with the white polish. And of course, you're going to repeat that for all the other nails on the left side. So now that we have finished applying the side French to all of these nails, I'm adding a second coat of the white painting gel just to make sure everything is opaque and that we do not see any of that brown showing underneath the white. So I'm just checking the nails here, making sure everything is good. And now I am going to be adding a layer of builder gel to these nails just to strengthen them from Emily. That is the brand of the builder gel I use. And we're going to be applying this to all 10 of the nails. So after applying builder gel to all 10 nails, I cure it in the UV lamp for about 60 seconds. And then after you cure it, there's this sticky layer that needs to be wiped off. So you take some alcohol and some cotton and you wipe that off all your nails. And then after that, we're just going to take our buffer and buff these nails smooth. Once I'm done buffing these nails, I'm brushing off any excess dust with my duster, and then I'm just going to wipe them again with some alcohol to make sure that they are clean. And after that, we're going to be adding our top coat for that sleek, shiny finish. And of course, we'll be applying this to all 10 of the nails. So these are how the nails look, and you can see that the side French is to the right for the right hand and to the left for the left hand. So I'm here laying them out just to check them and making sure everything is good. And after that, once we lay them out here and everything is good, we're going to be able to package them. For my packaging, I made this custom card on Canva and I got it printed locally. And this is what I put the nails on in order to send it to my client. The nails come with everything she needs to apply: the file, the glue, the cuticle pusher, and some alcohol pads. That's basically it for this video, a nice simple side French set. And what you're going to be seeing me do here is cleaning off the nails, making sure that we send the best nails out to our client. So feel free to subscribe to this channel if you would like to keep up with all of my nail videos. And of course, after this, I go outside to get a nice little picture or video of the nails out in the sunlight. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.